cutting section. First topic, what is how do you mean of cutting, what type of different types of cutting section, and what are the different types of marking, making and spreading. There are different types of cutting machines are used, and what is mean by cutting, what are the knives are using, what are the advantages and disadvantages of knives, what are the disadvantages and disadvantages of knives, and following these types of knives, how to use this we have to include in this. So advantages and disadvantages of following cutting machines. 7 drills thread markers, where reference markers are needed away from the edge of a garment part for the position of pockets, dots and similar features. A hole is often drilled through all the piles of the fabric in the lay. The drill mounting includes a motor, a base plate with a hole to allow the drill to pass through, and a spirit level to ensure that the base is horizontal and hence the drill is in vertical. So in this the drill mechanisms, the reference is pockets to determine the hole dots, and this machine provides the most accurate cutting at high speed. The input for this cutting maker planning and operation comes from the markers generated on computerized system. The marker data is transferred to the cutting unit by means of storing device or directly from the markers planning system itself. Computerized cutting is 6 to 8 times faster than any manual method and produces cut component with a consistent level of accuracy. In this system, the lay spread materials are kept intact using a combination of vacuum table, plastic cover films. A cutting knife retrigerated automatically during the cutting process. Cut the fabric is very accurately or regularity cleaned by the bristle provided in the machine. Speed and reduced cost allow the manufacturer to make a smaller more than this is. Advantages and disadvantages of die cutting machines. Advantages and disadvantages of die cutting machine is relative to the proportion. This is bit fast, easy operation and high efficiency. The disadvantage is that the price is relatively perforation will be expensive, but compared with the circle round pressure die cutting machine, round knife machine also known as rotary die cutting machine, cutting machine is little low price and high precision machine, a round knife and no weakness, round knife machine quickly. We usually say that die cutting machine is cutting machine mainly used for some types of non-cutting machines types, non-cutting machine types. We are usually say that die cutting machine is cutting machine mainly used for some types of non-metallic metals by pressure of the template cut with scissor materials. Scissor materials Scissor materials of that types of non-metallic materials by the pressure of the template cut with the scissor materials and sharp urban. Okay, in die cut machine works technical course of action, semi-automatic die cutting machine is specially equipment for the printed and packaging industry, cardboard boxes and other paper products. It can be variety of paper board, corrugated board 4 mm thickness and various advanced indentation, tangent rolls, uneven pressure after the cardboard identification, cut using manual or mechanical, removal of material along a tangent, folding, identification various cardboard boxes cartoons, trademarks, or irregularities made. Advantage and disadvantage of laser cutting. It is easier to keep the workpiece in the right position. Shot obtained by laser cutting does not take long and are extremely accurate. The whole cutting process is easily achieved in less time compared to traditional scissors. As the section is produced, there is not direct contact of workpiece with cutting tool, lowering and risk of the containing material. In traditional separation process, the heat generated during the process of cutting melts the materials. In laser cutting, the heat area is very small, reducing the possibility of material deformation. The laser cutting machine requires less energy for cutting sheet metal. The laser cutting technology can be used to cut wide range of materials like wood, ceramics, plastic, rubber, and scutten materials. Disadvantage of laser cuttings. Efficiency and power consumption depends on the type of section that need to be carried out and nature of the laser. Usually laser cutting have high energy consumption. Laser cutting have plastic components can be expensive because when exposed to heat, plastic emits gas. For these reasons, the laser cutting services provider should have well ventilated room, which is quite expensive. Also, the gases released during the process of cutting plastic can be harmful and toxic. Now, all types of metals can be cut with the laser cutting. For example, metals like copper and maximum aluminum can't be cut using this technology. Production rate is not consistent, all depend on the type of material used, the thickness of the workpiece, and the nature of laser cutting. Plasma cutting. Plasma advantages the wide cutting area can cut almost sheet metal, fast cutting speed, high efficiency, cutting speed up to 10 meters per minute or more, cutting accuracy higher than flame cutting. Underwater cutting is not deformed. Fine plasma cutting is more accurate. Plasma cutting. Plasma advantages, disadvantages. Cutting more than 20 mm steel plate is more difficult, requires high plasma power, cost also higher. When cutting thick plate, incision V-shaped. Water jet cutting machine. Water jet cutter is also known as water jet or water jet. Water jet is an industrial tool capable of cutting fabric clay by using a very high pressure jet of water or a mixture of water and an abrasive substance. A very fine water jet is passed through a nozzle at a very high speed to cut the fabric clay. Water pressure is used 60,000 psi and used to cut fabric, leather and plastic materials. Thickness of the lay has an influence on cutting quality. The lower and thickness of the lay, better will be cutting quality. Water used for jet needs filtration and deionization treatment. Water pressure, nozzle size and cutting speed are interrelated to cutting quality and speed. Water jet machine advantages. Water jet machine advantages is comparatively high speed of fabric cutting, no need of sharpening and grinding, suitable for comparatively harder materials cutting. Water jet machine disadvantages. Not suitable for higher depth of lay cutting, wet cut edges of the pattern, water spot may develop in the fabric, water needs filtration and deionization treatment, lower piles of multi-layer fabric cutting may not have sharp line, needs to control of water jet. And advantage of ultrasonic cutting: this type of process produces less heat. You can do machining of hard as well as brittle material in it. It can be used for non-circular holes drilling, just in like in glass. This may use for hard materials threading. And ultrasonic cutting disadvantages: advantages over advantages over disadvantages. The requirement of skilled labor for this machinery process takes it to disadvantages. Machinery means the skilled labor was very difficult to take. Regular repairing work is needed. Regular repairs are more in this ultrasonic cuttings. Okay, and these process results increased in two-line vias. So these are the different, thank you, these are the different types of advantages of disadvantages of